Welcome! In this video, we will explore the Settings and Floor Plan Publishing panel. Here you can edit the name of your plan and set the zoom levels it will have. If you leave only one zoom level, this feature will be disabled, and the floor plan viewer will always see the plan as complete as possible. You can set your plan to display very close or completely zoomed out when loading. The next three fields allow you to indicate the width and height ratio that your floor plan will have on small or large screens. Define at what resolution your plan changes its proportions. In low resolutions, I recommend a square or vertical format. Notice in the preview how its shape changes when the window is small. I advise you to finish adjusting these parameters when the plan is published on your website. The Activate the Plan parameter indicates whether the plan is visible to everyone or if you still prefer not to publish it. In the column on the right, you have all the publication options. Generally, you will need the HTML version. To do this, copy the upper block and paste it into your file or content manager. If you don't know how to do it, send this code to your website developer. If your website is developed in WordPress, download our plugin. Once installed, copy the short code from this field and paste it on any page or post. The third way to share your plan is directly from our service through the public address we offer. This is the fastest but least configurable way to share your plan, with a link or directly on social media. When you share the plan this way, you might want to limit its width. Use a value in pixels or percentage. Don't miss the rest of the video tutorials and make the most of all the possibilities that Mapplanner offers you.